Namaste. I'm Renu Jain from Kevaladhama Yoga Institute, Lonavala. Today we are going to talk about some of the yogic asanas which help us in a better blood circulation. We human beings are at physiological disadvantage because of prolonged standing or sitting. Hence, we have these asanas which help us in a better blood supply, because due to prolonged standing, the blood supply is working against the force of gravity. So let's try and understand these asanas which help in a better blood circulation. First one is Pavan Muktasana. This is one of the great asanas which help the blood to flow in the abdominal region. So let us see how to do this asana. Bend your knees. Bring the knees close to your chest. Now with both your hands, press the knees by interlocking the fingers. Very slowly and gently raise your head, bringing the chin or your nose between the knees. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Stay in this posture at least for 15 to 20 seconds or as per your capacity. Gently release the asanas. Bring your head back. Release your hands. Bring your toes back to the ground. Straighten your knees and relax. The next one is Ardha Halasana. So we are going to take the legs up into 90 degrees. Very slowly and gently take the legs up. Now as the veins in the legs have the toughest task to push the blood to the heart. So this is a great practice which helps in facilitating the blood to go smoothly from these veins. You can release the posture after holding for a while as per your capacity. After releasing, relax. The next one is Setu Bandh Asana. This is one of the simplest asana which can help in taking the blood to the upper part of the body, the head and the neck region. So bend your knees. Try to bring the heels close to your body. Have some gap between your legs. Now very slowly and gently raise your lower back up as per your capacity and hold for few seconds. Release the asana by bringing your back to the ground, straightening your knees and relax. Let's do Paschimottanasana, which is an excellent asana for keeping the health of spine and the lumbosacral region, because the rich oxygenated blood goes to this particular area wherein it tones up this particular region. So let's see how to do this asana. Join your legs, hands by the side of your body. Now place your palms on your thighs. Slowly slide your hands and hold your toes with the forefingers. Ideally, your elbows should be touching the ground and forehead touching the knees. Make sure your knees are not bending. Even if you are not able to reach all the way till your toes, no problem. Try to go as per your capacity and hold for whatever time you can hold, and then release the asana and come back and relax. People having high blood pressure should avoid forward bending asanas. These asanas are very helpful in improving the blood circulation. At the same time, they give internal massage to all these organs, keeping them healthy and fit. So keep practicing these asanas and stay fit. Thank you so much.